Hi guys, this is Doris and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna react on Tibok by Earl Agustin official music video featuring the love team of Ashtin Olviga and Rabin Angeles. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. 4, 3, 2, 1, my god! This is it na.
OMG. Wow. Oh my God, Tibok, Earl Agustin. Oh my God. Grabe, Robin. Oh my God, ang angas. Sure. Wang Inyop ang dating ah. Oh, so nandito pala yung vocalist ng Cup of Joe. Oh my God, Ashtin. Oh, OMG. Oh my God, super pretty. Hello. Oh my God. Ang ganda ni Ash. Oh my God, I'm crying. Oh, ang cute. Grabe. Ganda ng contact lens nila. Oh, may pa-flower pa si Boy. Shucks. Oh my God. Look. Grabe, the visual. Grabe. Ah, oh, shucks, holding hands. Grabe. Grabe yung mata ni Robin. Oh,
Oh my God. So, yun na. Oh my God. So, speechless. Oh my God. So, I'm super duper happy to see the music video. Wow. With matching pa-cry-cry pa. Oh my God. Pero wala namang ghosting na nangyayari sa music video. Mm, super nice. Grabe yung visuals ng dalawa. My God. Ashbin. Grabe talaga yung dalawang to. So, I think yun lang. So, for me, I'm supporting these two artists because I know na may ibubuga pa sila sa isa't isa. Okay? So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong! Goodbye!